Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so welcome and thank you for joining us. We are getting ready to see the Google Live event. Now, this time around, hopefully the audio won't have an echo. Let me know if it does in the comment section down below. What I'm doing is I'm hearing the audio through here instead of my normal speakers so that I can hear it, but hopefully it won't pick up on the mic at all. So let me know if there is any echo, because I know we've had that in the past. Try to perfect it this time around. And I want to start off this chat by letting you guys know which phone should I get. So I made a stance that I did want to get the Pixel 3 instead of the Pixel 3 XL, just simply because the Pixel 3 won't have the ugly notch, and it's not to mention $200 less, so I could put that money towards another product. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Which one should I buy, Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL? Now, the Pixel 3 XL will probably, of course, have the bigger screen with the notch, and it will have the probably bigger battery. If there is a performance difference, that's it, I'm going with the XL. So if, say, the Pixel 3 only has 4 gigs of RAM and the Pixel 3 XL has a 6 gig of RAM version, I have to go with the Pixel 3 XL. I am also worried about how much these phones may cost. The rumor is really going into a higher price point. I just don't know if the Pixel is worth a higher price point, so we'll wait and see if it's going to be over its $850 price from last year with this new design. So let me know again what you guys think. And we are expecting it to start any minute now. It is supposed to start at 8 a.m. So we should get started shortly. Let's see. Is this just tech guy trolling? What's up? Yeah, because it did have it as the Apple event for a while, because I was putting this up, but then I had to get my daughter ready for school. So I it had it up as the Apple event for a while instead of having it the full thing. All right. You just look like you woke up. I did just wake up not too long ago. I am very tired and I have a long day ahead of me. I will cut this stream to about an hour, just so you know, just because I do have to get to work. So yeah,
we pretty much know everything there is to know about the Pixel 3 as well as the Pixel 3 XL.
We have a very clear image now of this Pixel 3.
We know pretty much everything about
Rigsby gets it
no
in the
matter
morning.
how hard you try, you literally can't get anything past
My video isn't on here, Google. What's wrong? Come on. Was I too harsh on the Pixel 3 notch? Was I too harsh on it? Let me know. Did I hurt your feelings? Let me know, please. Google Assistant. No one's denying the greatness of Google Assistant. I'm also like refreshing the store every second to see if it updates before. Pixel 3 is the way to go. Pixel 3 XL, go big, go home. Don't think there will be a performance difference. Pixel 3. Pixel 3, I hate the notch. Pixel 3 is too small, 5.5 inches. Pixel 3 XL is too big. The notch is too big. I really want the Pixel 3 XL. I don't know anymore. Okay, so kind of a mixed bag. I think that is what 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3 for the Pixel 3, and then 1, 2 for the Pixel 3 XL. So yeah, I don't know. As of right now, I think I might get the Pixel 3, especially if that tablet laptop isn't too expensive. If it's like $1,000, I'm not getting that laptop.
Good morning, everyone.
But if it's like closer,
Great to see you all
we'll
here.
see.
You're going to hear a lot more about help today. I'm so glad you've joined us. We're shaking things up a little bit with a new venue, some new faces, and a new city. Special welcome to our friends in the media. We've also invited some of our top sales associates from Verizon and TELUS.
Is there any echo, guys? Let me know just in the comment section real quick. Is there any echo with, because it's pretty loud in my ears, but just making sure the mic isn't picking up anything. Is there any echo?
So this year marks Google's 20th anniversary. And for 2 decades, we've been working towards our mission of helping to organize the world's information, make it more accessible and helpful for everybody. Delivering information has always been in our DNA. It's why we exist.
Forget the
we
Pixel
love
that happened to
working
Pixar.
on really hard problems.
Pixar is not
Make
Excel.
life
No.
easier for people in big and small ways. And I wanted to tell you a couple stories about what I mean about this. So even after 2 decades, we're constantly working to shave as many milliseconds as possible
good.
off of
I'm
our
glad I
search
got the
times.
sound perfect this time.
That focus has caused us to push into a bunch of new areas. We designed our own servers. We designed an operating system to run our data centers. All this so you could find
Google,
search results faster.
you're turning into Apple. You're
But if
patting
we're
yourself
really
on the
gonna
back
help
before
people,
you start.
We need to make sure we provide the most relevant search results. And we can only do that if we know what people are asking for. So we set out to understand the nuances of language and the intent.
Will there be a new
behind the
Chromebook?
words.
Is it still overpriced?
As we progress
The rumor is the
on
new
that,
Pixel book
we
will be
realized
one
that
that
we
you can
could
actually
help
take
with
off this
translation
time.
too.
And Chrome has been
That's led
optimized
us
to run
down a
more
path of
Android
developing
apps and
completely
look
new
more
technologies.
Android tablet
Software,
interface.
hardware, and the
Because
AI
Chrome is not
that
made for a
underlies
tablet
it all.
interface, but apparently
And
it will
now
be with this
we're
new one.
translating 143 billion words every day in more than 100 languages. And now more people can say what they want to say to
Google
each other.
Translate is not perfect, but I would
Beautiful.
say it's the best option right now
Hello.
still.
Thank you. These are 3 of the most requested words in every language. And with speech recognition as good as it is, we can roll out voice interactions across our hardware devices so your devices understand you when you talk to them. We can lessen the pain of responding to
Working
emails.
Ellison. Wow,
by
hey, thanks for the
suggesting
super
quick
chat, Alex.
responses.
I appreciate
and
it,
Smart
man.
Compose in Gmail even offers to finish your sentences as you type. It can suggest relevant, contextual phrases and cut back.
Have you
on
guys gotten this
repetitive
on your
typing, like
Google,
addresses.
on your Gmail? Like my
Smart
Gmail
Compose
does
is already
this
saving
now, and I
people
think that's
a billion
nice. I
characters of
actually like
typing each
auto-filling.
week.
It's on
it's
the
coming to
latest
mobile
Windows
first
update, which
with
yeah, I
Pixel.
know has a stigma right now.
So
I
with
backed
our
up everything.
improvements in language,
But the latest
Google
Windows
Assistant
update will auto-continue
much better
your
at getting things done for
typing
you.
as well. I really like that we're finally getting to that point. What? Hey,
like
hey!
booking a restaurant reservation over the phone.
Buffer.
That's our duplex technology you saw earlier this year. These incredible technologies you'll
Duplex
hear about
that
today
didn't come
are
out?
built on this 20-year
Just saying.
history of
Just
making
saying.
information more accessible and helpful for people. This is also true of our work in imaging.
Duplex was that
Many of
like
you in this
AI
room say
demonstration that
last
everyone
year's
freaked
Pixel
out
2
over.
still takes the best pictures, even in a year with so many amazing
Hey,
flagship
thank
phones.
R. Rawson for the
That's
super
not a
chat. I
fluke.
really appreciate it, guys.
Pixel's camera
I
completely
really do
rethinks
appreciate
how
it.
images are captured. And we can trace that
Oh,
intelligence
just letting you know, there will be no
directly
weekly
back to Google
tomorrow
search.
night, but
We
it's
noticed
because we're at a
very
launch
early on
event.
that people
Razer
were using
invited us to
Google
their
to search
smartphone
for
launch
images.
event, so I might be
Even though
live
our
streaming from
results
there.
weren't perfect back then.
But yeah,
Because we
look
were
out for
looking
that
at
tomorrow.
meta
We
tags,
got
we were
invited to
looking
a
at
party.
surrounding
We're gonna
text.
have fun.
That was
Really
just
cool.
really a
So
workaround.
that will
But
be
what we
tomorrow
really
night.
needed to do
Razer's event,
was look at the
but
images
no
themselves.
live stream because I'm
So
gonna
we
be there.
spent years researching computer vision
Hey, thank you,
technologies,
Leonardo. I really
analyzing
appreciate
hundreds of millions
super
of
chat.
photos. And now we're getting
Thank
better
you guys
all the
for that.
time
I
at
really
recognizing
appreciate it.
objects, faces, and even concepts within an image or a scene. And we have all kinds of ways
For this
to
part,
put this
Google really
technology
did
to
perfect
work
it.
for
I
you.
mean, that's where Apple and everyone else
Like
got
right
this
now,
from. That like you can recognize
search
faces
through your photo library
so well.
so pictures are accessible wherever you are without any work from you. And we can help take a stunning portrait photo just like you would with a DSLR. And we can smooth out shakiness in your videos. You can also
How do you
point
do
your
that? What do
camera
you use for live
at a movie
channel?
poster.
Right now,
Get
I'm
local
using
theater
my
listings. Maybe even
Panasonic
look up an actor's
G7
bio.
camera.
And we've invented a
the
new
live
type of
streaming
camera.
software
Put it
I'm
on a
using
fleet
is
of
called
cars,
XSplit
and then drove
Broadcaster.
those cars all over
And
the
then
world
how I connect my
to give you
camera
a
to the
detailed map of the
computer
world.
is
So
the
from
Elgato
searching
HD60.
translating
So that is my entire
to getting a
setup.
great
I
photo
use a
of the
Yeti
world,
mic.
When we see an
and
opportunity
I
to
have
help
lights.
people, we go the extra mile. Our deep investment in AI over many years is at the core of our ability to push forward in many areas at once. And you're going to see this in a lot of our products today. I say this every year, but the big breakthroughs you're going to see are not in hardware alone.
Yeah,
They come
that
at
is
the
true.
intersection
Smooth out,
of
they do have the
AI,
most crop.
software,
Basically, they
and
zoom into the
hardware working
image,
together.
so all the shakiness
This
is
approach
cropped out.
is what makes
So they zoom
Google's
into it so
hardware
that you don't
experience
see
so
the
unique.
shakiness.
And it unlocks all kinds of helpful benefits.
Hey,
When we
Leon,
think about artificial
thank you.
intelligence
Wow,
in a
I
consumer
didn't
hardware
see
context,
$20.
it isn't artificial
Thank
at
you
all.
so much, man. That's
It's
a
helping
lot.
you get
I
real things
appreciate
done
it.
every day.
Wow.
Shorter
Yeah, no
route
problem
to
for
work.
doing this. I love talking to you
Gorgeous
guys during
vacation
these
photo.
events, so it's really cool.
A more efficient
Thank
home.
you. Thank you.
Our guiding principle here is exactly the same as it's been for 20 years, to respect our users and to put them first. And that guides our work in 3 very specific ways. First, we want to respect each user as an individual.
Yeah, they're really
and
talking
provide
about
them with
privacy
their own
concerns
personal
right now
Google.
because of this.
Just as Google
because
is
of what they're
organizing
going
the world's
through. If you don't know, in
information,
Congress
we
right
can
now,
combine AI,
they are
software,
having
and hardware
seriously
to
privacy
organize
issues.
your
Especially,
information.
they had to shut down
Your
Google
experience
Plus
and the help we provide
because
you
of privacy
is unique
concerns.
to you.
Because a bug was found
The
that
Google Assistant
apparently they
is the
couldn't
best
patch,
expression of this.
and everyone's
and it's
account
always
would have been
available
vulnerable,
to
so
help
they had to
provide
shut
help
it down
when
immediately.
and where you need it. Second,
Wednesday will be
we're
born.
committed to the security.
Yeah,
of our
but
users.
again, I will try
We
to
need to
live
offer
stream from Razor's
simple,
event, at least
powerful
live
ways
stream
to
what I
safeguard your
saw and
devices.
what I
One
liked
way we
about
do
it.
this
So
is
I
at
will
the
try
OS
to do a
level.
live stream tomorrow
Google
at
Play
Razor's
Protect
event.
is the most widely deployed mobile threat protection service in the world, and it constantly works in the background to keep your devices.
Can you make a
and
YouTube
data
how to
safe.
do that video? Yeah, I think I will. I think
We've
I'll
also
make
integrated
one.
Titan
It's been in
the
the
system we
plans
built
for a while. It's
for
just
Google data centers.
I've had
into our
to
mobile
have 2
devices with a
part-time
new
positions right now while
dedicated
YouTube
chip.
is slower.
Titan
So
Security
because
protects
of
your
that,
most
it
sensitive
basically
on-device
has
data
strained
by securing your
my
lock
amounts
screen
of things I could
and
do.
strengthening disk encryption.
That
And it also
weekend
even
job
protects
is
the
done
integrity of the
as of
operating
this
system
weekend.
itself.
So this upcoming weekend will be the last
By
one I'm working on
combining
there. So you're
Titan
going to see
security
up
both in the data center and on
scale in
device, we've
videos
created a closed loop
next week.
for your data.
So yeah, I'll
across
have
the
more time
Google
for
ecosystem.
YouTube and have more time to do
We
that
know
stuff
people want to
as
hear a lot about
YouTube
this, so
revenue has
you'll be
gone
hearing
up
more about it throughout
towards
the
the
day.
holidays. It always does.
A vital third theme of ours. We want to make sure that you're in control of your
I don't
digital
like the digital
well-being.
well-being stuff. I really don't care about it.
From our research,
The Titan was pretty cool.
72%
Their
of
announcement was just
users
basically talking
are
about another level of
concerned about the
security
amount of
besides
time they
the
spend
Play
using tech.
Protection.
And we
Play Protection
absolutely
is the
share that
software
concern.
that basically
we've
scans all of
developed
your
new
apps
tools
on Android
that let you
to make
control
sure
your
that
devices
it basically
instead of
performs,
those devices controlling
performs
you.
correctly and doesn't harm
We're
your
introducing
device.
new, simple ways to cut down on notifications and distractions. We can help you understand the amount of time you're spending with different
Respect,
applications.
remove the headphone
and set
jack.
app limits
Opinion on
so
the
you can switch
Facebook
them off when you
portal.
want to.
The Facebook
And
portal,
we're
I
providing
think the
parents
camera
with
is
simple
amazing for that.
controls over screen time
For those who don't
with
know,
the
it's a
family.
smart display that Facebook just
We
announced
feel
yesterday.
a deep responsibility
it's
to our users
really
to provide a
cool
helpful,
to
personal
be
Google
able
experience
to
while keeping their
zoom in
information
and
secure
direct the
making sure
camera
they're in control
and not
of
really
their
lose that much
digital
quality
well-being.
from the demos they were having.
These things really matter to
So
our
yeah,
users.
I think the Facebook
And it
portal
shows
is going to be
in their
really
response to our
cool
products.
when it
The enthusiasm has
comes
been
out.
absolutely great
But I
this
more
year.
like the
Our
technology
Google Home
and how it can
devices
be
are
integrated
expanding into more countries and more
Alexa
homes.
and
Our daily
Google.
active users have grown by 5x in the past year
it
alone.
has Alexa on
And
board.
test after test
I hope
concludes
Google
the
does something like that.
Home
Google
the
is
most
announcing the
accurate
Home Hub
and
today,
most helpful
so that one
home
is going to be
assistant
coming
device.
out.
It does
so
the
yeah.
best job of filtering out background noises
I'm gonna
and
take one of
understanding
these out
different
just
people's
because
voices.
it's
And it
like
now
it's hard to
offers
hear how
help
loud I am
in
talking
multilingual
with
tones.
both in.
Pixelbook has had a huge year as well. The Verge said, Pixelbook is stellar. It's elegant, sturdy, fast, and smartly designed.
How long might the new
And both
Pixel
Pixelbook owners
reveal the new Pixel?
and a lot of you tech reviewers
Will it go an
gave it the
hour? I don't
edge
know.
over other
He's doing a
premium
lot of fluff
laptops
right now.
for its speedy
Again, I
performance
get why they
and
have
innovative
to
design.
because of all the stuff that's
And we're
going on in
just getting
Congress,
started
but
there.
Yeah, I need to hurry up.
And what a year for Pixel 2.
We're already
A
at
couple months ago,
8:14.
Wired named it the best smartphone money can buy in 2018. That's as good as it gets, especially in a year with so many great flagship phones. Plus, the Pixel experience keeps getting
Can
better
you
over
link the
time
stuff
as we
you
rolled
use
out a
in the
number of
description?
helpful updates.
Actually, all the stuff I use in the
Lies
description
improved, colors are
is
deeper.
already in the description. If
Phone
you
is
look at our
just all
Amazon
around more
store,
helpful than when it first came
it
out.
should have everything
really
that I
proud of the
use
progress
already.
we've made
I tried to
across
add
the
everything
whole
on
Made
there,
by Google
but
family.
yeah, if you look
So you
in
probably
the
don't wanna hear too
description,
much more
it
about
has our
last year's
Amazon
products.
affiliate
So let's
store,
talk about what we've
and
been
that has
working on.
like all the mics, all the all the lights, all that
first,
kind of stuff.
for Life
I
on the
update
Go,
it every
we
month,
designed the
so there
world's
are
best
some new
camera
things. But
and
most
put
of them
it
are
the
in there
world's
right
most
now in the
helpful
description.
phone.
All the stuff that I
Introducing
use.
the beautiful new Pixel 3.
Don't show the front of it. For the love of God, don't show the front of it. That was their marketing
And for
team.
life at home,
Don't show the front of it.
We designed, for life at work and at play, we're bringing the power and productivity of a desktop to a gorgeous tablet called Pixel Slate.
Pixel Slate. This is their new laptop, although it really is a tablet with a keyboard.
And for life at home, we designed a smart display so you can hear and
This is
see
the home
the
hub.
info you need and manage your connected home from a single screen.
My favorite phone of
Introducing
this year
Google
so
Home
far
Hub.
is the Note 9. I've seen some really impressive stuff right now. I'm checking out the Honor 8X. Really impressive for the price
And here
point.
they are,
So yeah,
coming up
there's
here in the
definitely,
pedestals for the first
come on,
time, seen in real
Let's
life.
see what they are.
Go ahead.
They're hiding the
You can take a couple
notch.
photos
They're
if you like.
hiding the notch, guys. They are
knock
hiding
it over,
that
'cause if you
notch.
break it, you have to
That
buy
is
it.
so funny. That is so funny.
Give it about
Everyone
30
with these
seconds
stupid
or so.
wallpapers that hide the notch. Hey, man. Every one of them. They always try to do this. They always try to hide the notch with a wallpaper.
I gotta get a shot of these. These look great. Wow.
Look at that live wallpaper hide that notch.
Okay, all right, we can start to put them away.
That is a very
Don't
smart
worry,
way,
everyone, you'll
though,
get more time
of
with
putting
them in
it
the
out.
demo
That is
area.
a very smart way of putting it out and getting like
Are you trying to take one
immediate
out of there?
photos out. Google is
I would too.
strategizing these
Please don't.
events pretty nicely.
Oh, I think they look great. They look great, right?
Yeah, I agree with you. I
Let's
completely
talk
think the
about
Pixel Book was
design,
way
because
overpriced.
I think the design
way
of this year's
overpriced.
products are absolutely terrific. Just last month, Fast Company named Google the
Should I
design
get a
company of the year
Lenovo Yoga
for our
Book or
efforts
the
in both
Pixel
hardware
Chromebook?
and
I would
software
easily
design.
get a Yoga Book or
We've
even a
seen
Dell XPS
incredible
over the
progress in
Pixel
material design,
Chromebook.
our
Easily,
adaptable
in
open
my
source
opinion.
system of guidelines.
Omar,
tools, and
thank you,
components
man. One of my
that
favorite
support the
YouTubers.
best practices
Omar,
of
dude, I really
user
appreciate
interface
that. Thanks
design.
for the super chat.
And this has
It's really
resulted
crazy I'm getting
in
these
some
super
truly
chats now.
beautiful evolutions of the applications.
Maybe
we
I
know
should
and
thank YouTube for automatically turning it on, but
love. This
thank you
year's
guys. I
new
really appreciate it.
devices fit perfectly with the rest of the family. That's due to the amazing Ivy Ross and her.
Look at them
wonderful
hide that notch. They are literally not showing the
Really,
front
yes.
so they can avoid the ugly front. They are literally showing the back on all these photos.
They've
What are
really
you doing,
pushed us to
Google?
think about
Are you
how
ashamed?
technology can be designed for the way you live today. And the design world has taken notice. Over the past year, Made by Google products have won more than 45 of the design industry's top awards. Ivy's going to give us a rare peek into her design studio and share some of the details about her team's philosophy and approach. Let's
Wonder if
take
they're
a
gonna
look.
have new Pixel Buds.
People think aesthetics is making something pretty, and it's really not. I mean, aesthetics is about igniting our senses. I think we're all craving that a little bit. What is the design language for Google? Bold and optimistic, human in our forms, and our colors, and our shapes.
Oh, we saw the notch. We saw the notch for a split second. We saw that notch. Trying to hide it.
As technology progresses, it needs to be closer to us. Soft circles and curves evoke something
Do we really
natural
need
and
this?
familiar.
Like, really? Do we really need
How
an
that language
explanation
shows
of
up will
colors
evolve over
and
time.
all this stuff?
I think technology has to fit into place. It will eventually be invisible. The design challenge is to make that transition smooth and beautiful. Our job is to figure out what it feels like to hold Google in your hand.
Ignite the notch. I like that. Samsung again.
So cool. So cool.
I think we need
Some
to
of
use
the
a
best
regular
examples of the
Pixel 3
amazing
and send a
work
message.
that Ivy and her team have been doing.
LG got to notch Apple, why not Pixel? Because they're better than that.
Fast Company
Or at least
named
they were
Google
supposed
Home
to
Mini
be.
the most innovative product design of 2018.
They were supposed to destroy the
Consumers
rule,
love it too, as
not
it extends
join it.
access to the assistant in more places throughout the home. With Google
It's
Wi-Fi,
that when you have to hide your own design.
we're using
yeah.
mesh networking and AI to extend your home Wi-Fi network.
Day
Google Wi-Fi
Samsung
is
adds a
still
notch.
the
I'm
number
going
one
to a
router,
tablet.
and it's
That's
the
hilarious.
simplest way to make sure that your connection speed is good and your home network is well managed.
Are you
You might
ever
have
going
heard that
to
we're
show?
bringing together Google and Nest.
Are
so
you
we can
ever
solve
going to show the
deeper
front of your phone?
problems
Holy crap,
in
that's
managing
obvious.
people's
Yes,
homes.
it is.
The right way to do this is to start with the basics. The smart home of 2018 is too complex with siloed technologies and interfaces. Your smart home really doesn't seem too smart when you can't figure out how to turn on the lights or set your home security system. So together with Nest, we're pursuing our shared vision of a thoughtful
I just really
home
don't like that
that
you
isn't
have to
just
pay
smart,
monthly for
but it's
Nest.
helpful and
I'm
simple
waiting
enough
for security
everyone to
cameras
set up and
to
use.
not charge for monthly
Nest
use. Like
defines
that's
the
what I
thoughtful home
want.
with the
I
Nest
refuse to
learning
do that.
thermostat,
It's
which
like
is the
you
number
know,
one
one of the main
product in the
reasons why
space.
people pirate
And it's
Adobe
helped
software
save
so much because
over
F you
25
Adobe.
billion
Like I'd rather
kilowatt
pay
hours of
500
energy.
than have to pay every
Nest
single month
also
for the
has
software.
top-rated
It's
products
ridiculous.
in connected security cameras, smoke alarms, and doorbells. So working together, Google and Nest
I'm moving to a
shape
landline.
how these technologies come together. for a more
After
helpful,
the dropped
thoughtful home.
headphone jack, nothing
To
shocks
show you
me
what that
anymore.
means,
Shame
let
they
me bring
had to
Dia
adopt
out
a notch.
to
Makes
talk
me
a little
laugh.
bit more about the newest addition
Google
to the
is
Google
Apple
Home family.
2.0.
Dia?
Dia Jolly. That is a fun last name, Jolly.
Thanks, Rick.
Monthly use.
Hey,
So
everyone.
basically,
Thanks so much for being here today.
or wait, are you talking
Let
about
me tell you
Adobe
about
or
how
Nest?
we
Nest, you have to pay a
reimagined
monthly
Google
fee
for
if
the
you
home.
want to save
2 years
any
ago, we
like
launched
7
Google
days
Home
worth or
with the
3
goal
days
of
worth
helping you and your family simplify the
or
hectic
all security
moments in your
systems do
life.
that. You have to pay
we've seen
first to
that this
save
is
a certain
striking a
amount
chord
of
with our
days.
users.
So you know,
The
if someone breaks
number of
in,
queries on
you
Google
can
Home
extract
has
that
gone
video
up by
so
over
to show the cops.
400% in just the last year. But now, imagine
I'm not feeling it.
not only being able to hear a response back when you ask Google Assistant a question, but imagine being able to see a response back. That is the power of Google Home Hub. With Google Home Hub, we've redesigned Google's most helpful services
I don't like that color.
Search, YouTube, Maps, Calendar, and Photos.
Add watch later
so
to the
they're easily
freaking YouTube
controllable
app.
with your voice and provide glanceable help.
Stupid ass. I cannot believe they don't have that
Today,
feature.
all of us use many
I
different
just
display
cast
devices in our
it
homes,
the entire
like
time.
phones,
The Lenovo
laptops,
review
and
is coming, by
tablets.
the way.
But none
And we're
of
going to
these
be
were
getting the one
developed
from
with the
JBL.
goal of
I'll
helping
see
you
about
and your
buying this
family
one,
in your
but
home environment.
unless this
That
adds
is
something new,
why
I'm
we
probably
built Google Home
not
Hub.
going to review this one.
We obsessed about what a display designed specifically for your home.
I don't know what the monthly
How
fee
should
is
it
for
interact
Nest,
with
to
you
be
and your
honest.
family?
It's per
What kind
camera,
of
I
help
think,
should
with
it provide?
Nest.
How should
It's
it
like
look in any
cheaper
room?
monthly, but then it's
So we
per
spent
camera with
countless
them, I
hours on the
believe.
design of
Ring,
Hub.
all of them
We
have this
incorporated
fee, and I
soft-rounded
don't like it.
corners and premium materials, including our own custom fabrics. You can also choose from 4 beautiful colors to complement any room. The elegant
Why
floating
is Google
display
not bringing
is big
it?
enough
Because,
so
oh,
that you can see things even from across the room, but it's small enough to fit in any space
they don't
in
have a
your home.
black.
We also consciously
guess you can get
did
the
not
blue.
put a camera on Hub, so that it was comfortable to use in the private spaces of your home, like your bedroom. We wanted to make sure that Hub is not
You
an
didn't put a
bright glowing
camera on, so
screen in
you
your
can't
home.
video chat with it?
So we made sure that Hub can respond automatically to the ambient light in the room. To do this, we developed a feature called Ambient EQ. With Ambient EQ, we take a dedicated sensor and combine it with our own imaging algorithms so that we can fine-tune the brightness and color of the display. So now, Hub can respond automatically to the bright white tones of natural light that you get during the day, and then gradually shift into the oranges and yellows of your indoor lights in the evening. You can feel the magic of ambient EQ when you look at your photos.
Question: Is there a headphone jack 3.5 on the Pixel 3 XL? No, there's not. There wasn't a headphone jack on last year's Pixel.
Which room, and even your home decor, Hub can blend seamlessly into your home.
There was no headphone jack on last year's Pixel either.
We also wanted Hub to be a communal device, one that works for everyone in your
Where
home.
the hell is the XL3?
So
They're trying to hide it.
On Google's industry-leading speech recognition technology. By using voice match, Hub is able to recognize who is speaking to it, and it's able to provide a personalized experience for each and every user in your home.
Oh, my pie in the
Today,
face.
85%
I hope I won't
of Google Home users
regret
are
it in
using voice match.
Samsung.
So by now, you're probably wondering how Hub works.
Blink
So let me call
cams
up
don't
Mark,
charge
one of
for
our product
storage.
managers, to show you Hub in action.
Free for like 14 days. Oh, that's kind of cool. Blink cams. I might check those out then. That's the thing. I'm really against cameras that charge for it. That's just like, man, that's just.
Thanks,
I don't know. I feel like
Hello,
at least
everyone.
give me 3
Excited
days,
to
like
share with
something.
you A few examples how Hub fits into my home. Mornings are crazy for most of us, and having a little bit of help would be awesome.
I'm sorry, but am I the only one looking at this
Hub,
guy and thinking
I can
of
just say,
what's
"Hey,
his
Google."
name? Glass.
Good morning.
Samuel Jackson in the new movie. Like,
Good morning, Mark. The time is 9
like I just want him to wear a
a.m.
purple
Currently
shirt
in San
instead of a blue
Francisco,
shirt, and
it's
he got the
64
look.
and sunny. The best way to get to work by car is via US 101 South and will take 45 minutes. There are 11 entries in your calendar. By the way, remember to pick up eggs for dinner tonight.
Because Hub recognized my voice, it tells me everything I need to know while I'm finishing up my cup of coffee. And in the evenings, Hub is great at helping me make dinner and relax. Google Home
My
Hub
Google
is
Plus
the
app
best
crashed last
display
night
made for
since
kids.
it doesn't.
So instead of
wanna load
fumbling
my files.
around
all
with
your
your
photos
phone
should
or the
be in
tablet
Google
while you have
Photos, I
flowers on
believe.
your hands, or you're
But yeah,
washing
Google
dishes
Plus,
or
they're
wearing
getting
oven
rid of
mitts,
it.
you can simply use your voice to get help in the kitchen. You can set multiple timers. You can find out how many ounces are in a cup. You can even figure out what to cook for dinner tonight. My Hub gives me access to a huge library of recipes, including great dishes. from
Samuel L. Google.
Tonight, I'm going to make two
That's
of the
hilarious.
classics. Eggs Benedict with the French 75. Hashtag late night brunch. As you can see, with Hub, I can follow along step-by-step instructions to figure out how to make Eggs Benedict. I can even watch a video to figure out how to
Okay,
poach
that's a
an
lot
egg.
better because that isn't happening right now. On the current live
Now,
displays,
I'd like to
you
tell you
don't
a little bit
have
more
a
about
photo or a
YouTube
video. You just
on
have the
Hub.
text, which
The
annoyed me.
YouTube
Like it didn't
experience
seem as
has
good.
been optimized, so I have access to a ton of how-to videos just by using my voice. Good example is I can say, "Hey Google, YouTube video, now Hub. Hey Google, show me how to
Okay,
carve a
playing
pumpkin."
how to carve Halloween pumpkins on YouTube.
Nope, missed the timing on that.
It's a pretty epic pumpkin. And of course, Hub is great for enjoying music as well. With YouTube Music, you can easily find the perfect
Google bots
song,
hiding the notch with
video,
blah
or
blah blah.
artist.
Yeah, they're hiding
Hey,
that
Google.
notch right now, guys.
Play something brand new.
Samuel L. Notchson.
All right, here's some music on YouTube.
All I have to do is ask, and I have instant access to the massive catalog.
I'm sorry,
of
but I
music
find it
and
hilarious.
videos.
We're in the day and age where
By
like
offering the
you can
ability
sing a song
to
about
hear
selling
and
rocks,
see your music on
and
Hub.
you make it to
really
a,
brings the concert
like
right
a
here.
tech presentation. That's,
Through
that's
December,
just
Hub comes with 6
That's
months
their day and
of
age.
YouTube Premium on us, including ad-free videos and our new
dude
YouTube
looks
music
like the
streaming
animal
service.
rights activist
So
just
we all
dumped
know
him with
technology
flour.
can make our lives easier and more fun. But sometimes
Ring
it's really
is
hard to
30
disconnect
for,
and enjoy time with friends and family.
for
Hub can help with that
the
too.
year,
Just
not
put
terrible.
Hub into downtime mode, and it won't interact with
30
anyone
for
in
the
the house
year, got
except
it.
for those critical things like alarms.
Just have the
It's a
doorbell. So yeah, it's not with the
simple
camera. I hear
it
most
makes
of them
a
are per
huge
camera,
difference.
which is really like
We're also
so
introducing
if I
a
want
set
to
of
secure
tools
my
to provide
house,
parents with a little bit of peace of mind.
I pay like
With
ridiculous amount of
filters,
money.
You can ensure that everyone in the home is enjoying family-friendly content. So, no matter if you're
Right
starting
now I
off your
live in a
day,
gated community,
if you're
but
learning
like
something
when
new,
we move to
or if
buy
you're
a
just
house,
chilling
you
at
know,
home,
I'm definitely thinking about getting
Hub is
security
there to help.
cameras.
Back to you, Dia.
I'm laughing at you try to keep a straight face, Ricky. I mean, I'm trying. I'm trying.
Thanks a lot, Mark. As you can see, Hub can really help you simplify your home.
Google
But there's
is
more.
Five
As Rick
Guys, a
mentioned,
good
we wanna build a
place that
thoughtful home for our
has,
users.
is a tasty burger.
And where this comes to life the most is in how easy it is with Hub to set up, manage, and control your devices. You can even see the state of your entire home at a glance.
Ooh,
It
we've had
truly is a hub
we've
for
had
a
smart
thoughtful
displays
home.
for a couple months now. We don't
So let me
need
show you how.
all these things
Today, I have
on
a few
Google
different
Hub.
smart devices in my home. Smart lights, thermostat, doorbell, and even a door lock. To
I
be
have
able to
videos on
control
this,
and manage
Google.
these devices,
Don't need it.
I have
Don't
to go
need
to
it.
multiple different apps. And if my husband wants to manage and control these devices, he has to go to the same apps. We have no one place to go to get the state of our entire home. Did we forget to turn down the lights and lock the door in the living room before going to bed? With Hub, we're introducing Home View. With a swipe down from the top of the screen, you can bring up a simple dashboard. The dashboard shows you the state of your entire home at a quick glance and provides you quick access to all your devices. This has been a
That's nice.
radically helpful
If it
addition to my
works.
home. Home View was designed to be super easy and intuitive to use with a simple tap.
No, well, let's go to
or
other
with your
smart
voice.
displays.
You can even see things by room, so you can turn down the temperature in the
'Cause, like,
bedroom
that
and turn
is on
up
my
the
smart
music in the living
display.
room.
That
It's now
that entire
all in
layout's
one
on my smart
place
display.
for the very first time and easily
Who's got a house
accessible
that
by
big? I
everyone in
wish,
your
right?
family. And we're providing the same level of control even if you're not near your hub. We've redesigned the Google Home app to be the mobile
Yes, like
controller
Samsung Smart
for your
thing,
smart home.
basically.
It has the same Home View dashboard as Hub. So now you can control all your devices from any phone, even when you're not at home. Now, with Nest devices, we have all the
Did
tools
they
in
introduce
place
the
to help
phone
take the experience
first
of a
last
thoughtful
year
home
at the
to the very
presentation,
next level.
or
So we made
last
sure
like
that
computer
Hub
year?
was
No, they introduced the
deeply
phone first
integrated with
last
Nest
year.
devices like Nest
Then they
Camera,
talked about
Nest
everything else
Thermostat,
after.
and even Hello Doorbell. So for instance, if you're having dinner and someone happens to ring your doorbell, Hub will automatically show you who's at the front door. And you can
But
tap
not
a
ring,
quick
'cause
response or
ring.
use your voice
They with
to
Amazon.
let your guests know that you'll be right there. Many people have connected devices in their homes today and they don't even know it. Hub can help with that. Home View lets you control over 200
Why don't you have
million
Logitech
devices
hubs there
from
so
over
I can natively do
1,000
stuff?
brands,
Have
many
to
of
use
them in
if
your
this
home
and
today.
that.
So now, with a simple tap or with your voice, you can control your dish hopper DVR, your Chromecast, your Vizio TV, and even your Philips Hue light bulb. With Home View, you have all the tools in place to help you build and manage your
I do
thoughtful
like
home.
Home View.
Whether
It
you have
makes
a house full of
sense.
connected devices like I do, or you're just getting started with your
I want
first
Home View
simple
on my
smart
phone.
light bulb.
Like, because I still go to my Philips app
Now,
when the Google
we've
Smart
talked a
thing's
lot about
working,
what
then I
Hub
have to,
can do.
like, that does
But
happen.
what about when it's not in use? We designed Hub to be the world's best photo frame so that you could relive your precious moments on Google Home Hub. We do this via a deep integration with Google Photos. Google Photos has over 1.2 billion photos and videos uploaded every single day. So now you can select any album that you've ever created or that was shared with you. And we're introducing a new feature called Live Albums. With Live Albums, you can just select the photos of people that you want to see. And what we will automatically do is create a new album with all the photos you've ever taken of those people. Your photos also never get stale because Live Album updates automatically every time you take new pictures. So it's been really amazing. Every time I walk by Hub and see a photo of my
Will
son or
Live
husband
Album
that
know
I've forgotten
to
about, it
zoom
brings a
in
smile
or
to my
do
face.
something when if
And
the photo's
recently we
shot
came
in
home from a family
vertical as
vacation
opposed
to show our photos already displaying on
horizontal?
Hub. Hub also makes it easy to share live albums with loved ones. So now my parents can see photos of my son show up automatically in their home. Now you also might be wondering,
they should know better than
what
to
about
not
that
say the
blurry
words
picture I took the other
okay,
day? Will that show up on Hub as well?
because
The answer is
it
no.
will set off
We use
everyone's
machine learning
Google
to only
Homes.
show your best photos on Hub. We automatically filter out blurry photos, underexposed photos, those random pictures of things like
Yeah,
receipts,
no,
and even
I
duplicate photos.
don't know
Now, with
I don't
Google
know if the
Home
Pixel
Hub,
3 will
you have a great
outsell
way
the
to
Pixel
actually
2.
relive
I'm very
your favorite
curious.
memories.
Although they're supposed to launch in more countries, so it might just because of the sheer volume of
So,
countries. But yeah.
You can pre-order Google Home Hub on the Google Store today for $149. And it's also available on October 22nd at retail locations here in the US, UK, and Australia.
That is a really good price. I'm not gonna lie. For $150, the old Google Home was $130
Google Home Hub
bucks.
is the perfect display to help you manage your portfolio.
I honestly might get
and provide
this.
the help
I
you
honestly
need
might
with
get
the
this. I was
Check out this
not
video.
thinking about
Thank
getting
you.
it, but for $150, sure, why not? Are you on the website yet, Google Home? Dang it. I will get that. $150 is a great price, guys. It's a great price. I love having a smart display. I really do. And this is literally just replacing the Google Home. And it has a screen. That is a small screen. What size is what? I did not hear what size was that screen. Did anyone catch what size that screen was? That has to be like 7-inch or less. That is small. 4 tomatoes. That is small. That is small. That has. I wonder if it's like a 6-inch. Price changes everything. Damn sure it does. You need for Wi-Fi to work. I'm guessing it's gonna be Wi-Fi to work. Yeah,
All right.
definitely.
As I mentioned earlier, Google's been obsessed with speed and relevance of the search information we can provide. We built this incredible search engine, but back then,
4 colors.
browsers
Like,
were just
no
too
camera.
slow. So then we
Of
built
course,
Chrome,
Google Assistant, auto
a
dims,
faster, more
the
secure
dash
browser.
controls at your smart home,
But
photo
users
frame.
still had to
Yeah,
use
that's pretty much
our
it.
fast browser on their old, slow PCs. They took way too long to start up. They were a hassle to keep secure, and they just weren't optimized for the web and app experience.
They're gonna leave the
we use
phones
today.
for last. They're about
And
to
we
talk about
knew
the Pixel
computing
Slate.
could be fundamentally better. So we developed Chrome OS to represent a new vision for computing based on our core tenets of speed,
You shaved my
simplicity,
beard.
and security. Chrome OS brings together the best of Google: search, AI, and apps and services all in one place. Now, your Chromebook boots up in seconds, not minutes. It lasts all day, and it gets better over time. It keeps up with the many aspects of your life because work and play are fluid. throughout the
7-inch
day.
screen on the hub. Okay.
And that's why millions of people have used these devices in schools, homes, and
Mic a little
businesses
bit over.
worldwide. Last year, Chrome OS took a big step forward with the introduction of apps from the Google Play Store, and also with the introduction of helpfulness from the Google Assistant. We tied this all together with the launch of Pixelbook, the high-performance Chromebook. Pixelbook reviews from both the press and customers have been fantastic. People especially love its beautiful,
Yes, because
versatile
they were
design
sent them
and
for
its blazing
free.
fast speed.
You send me $1,000
Today,
product that
We're
should be about
sharing a new
$500.
chapter
Yeah, I'll say
for
it.
our vision for
Not to
Chrome
mention,
OS,
all of them pretty much
with the
said that
launch
it's overpriced.
of Google Pixel Slate. Here's Tron to tell you a little bit more about it.
Thanks, Rick. Google Pixel Slate.
Yes,
is a
it does depend on what your home
completely
needs are.
new
For me,
experience,
I do
giving
have
powerful
I really have a
productivity
smart home,
in a fresh,
and it
mobile
just
form.
it really
Something that
fits
isn't a
well
laptop
to it.
trying to be a tablet. Because who wants a fan
And
in
it's
their
just a
tablet?
matter of having a screen
Or a tablet
instead of
that's really a phone
home, like the
pretending
regular
to be
home.
a computer. Instead, we combine the helpful elements of all of these devices to create a modern computing experience people have been asking for. We designed Pixel Slate to be both thin and light. It's crafted with beautiful lines and
Type-C
rounded edges
charger.
in a stylish midnight blue. And it has a
Don't know why
perfectly
it has,
balanced center of gravity, so it's incredibly
front stereo
comfortable to
speakers.
hold. Pixel Slate is engineered
Although
with
in
a
this day and age,
stunning
again,
detailed display.
they should have had
So
less
sitting back to
bezels.
enjoy a movie is better than ever. It has 290
Like the bezels look
pixels
so
per
big
inch.
compared to
That's 6
a
million
new
pixels
computer.
for the sharpest picture in the category. When we put Pixel Slate in the hands of some of the most
293
demanding YouTube
pixels per
creators,
inch is the best?
filmmakers who make movies in 8K.
What category
they
is this?
raved about this display.
How narrow is it?
Let's take a look at how they reacted to seeing their content.
It's not
on
the best
Pixel Slate
tablet.
for the first time.
For sure. Because there are definitely tablets with over 300 PPI.
We're looking for something that draws us in personally, that excites us.
As a creator, I spend a lot of time trying to just make sure our image looks the best it can be. To see the Pixel Slate representing that correctly is really awesome.
They really should have thinner bezels.
It's like you're taking the glass out of the window.
Come on, Google.
That's
You know those
exactly how it's
designers you talked about? They designed this Pixel 3 notch, so they obviously don't know how to design.
To get to this level of quality, Pixel
720p gate again,
custom
I know,
display
right?
With low temperature polycrystalline silicon technology, which allows for 100 times faster movement of electrons versus a standard display. As a result, you can efficiently light up a massive number of pixels. Your movies, photos,
I would buy it
and
at
games
150
will be
bucks.
stunning in vibrant colors and brilliant resolution.
No, this is
Now,
500 easily.
a brilliant
if
display
not more.
doesn't mean much without great sound. So with Pixel Slate, we've positioned the speakers on the front of the device, so they can direct stereo sound towards you instead of out towards the walls or the floor. They deliver surprisingly big sound. We've also tuned our audio algorithms with a custom designed profile that gives you crisp highs and clear lows. This combination of an amazing
Someone
display
finally invented a
and
tablet that
dual
isn't a PC
front-firing
again,
speakers
or
gives
something.
you the best entertainment experience you can hold in your hands. It's also a great device for cord
Tablet
cutters,
should have
and
quad
nothing brings this
speakers
to life
set
better
up
than YouTube TV.
on both sides.
We're excited to give you
not
3 months of
front dual.
YouTube TV with the
True.
purchase of a new Pixel Slate or Pixelbook. So you get live TV from more than 60 networks, including sports and local news. Now,
need to
you
add
heard
more
Rick talk
channels to
earlier
YouTube
about our
TV.
deep
Why don't
history
you
in
talk about
imaging and
that?
computational photography. We're bringing some
Jeez,
of that
that's such a
same
minimum amount
innovative
of channels.
engineering
Like,
to
I would
Pixel
love to
Slate's
switch to
8
YouTube TV
megapixel
or something like that, but it's
front-facing
just
and
so
rear-facing
low on
cameras.
channels.
Both cameras incorporate our machine learning algorithms, so you can take great photos, including portrait mode. We've also designed the
yes,
front-facing
8
camera
megapixel
to
front
be
camera is
perfect
great to
for
have,
video
so
chat.
you know you don't have the
It
crappy
has a
webcams that we
wide-angle
have on
lens,
$1,000
so you can fit
laptops.
everyone in the frame, and a sensor with larger pixels, which allows for excellent low-light performance. Pixel Slate.
I will say
presents a
that's
new
actually good.
chapter
Like
for
that
Chrome
is
OS.
good that we actually have good quality.
Let me show you how we've reimagined it for this new type of
webcams. Like
device.
that is something severely
The
missing from
UI
all laptops.
is now optimized to be simple and easy
All
to
new
use
Chrome
on a
OS.
touchscreen. It's a Chrome OS experience that's meant to be held in your hands. And at the same
Interesting.
time, it gives you a full desktop experience, not one designed for a phone. You can work the way that you're used to working. You can even run developer tools and full-powered Linux applications.
I think the UI
Check out the
looks a
reconfigured
lot
launcher.
better.
Instead of hunting for the app you need, machine learning customizes the launcher just for you, suggesting the apps that you're most likely looking for. It's your own personal Google.
I feel like that's
right at your
wasted space
fingertips.
though. Why didn't you have it go all the way to the end?
You
You're
can
just
easily
narrowing
multitask
it.
with features like split screen, which lets you seamlessly shift between work and play. And now with Pixel Slate, the Google Assistant is even more deeply integrated within Chrome OS. Simply use your voice, and the Assistant can help you find a restaurant, dictate an email, or play your favorite show.
Hey, from the UK. Hey.
Another helpful feature is
Price
family
is what
mode.
we're waiting for.
This helps you set digital
Finally,
ground
a way to
rules
watch
for your
live TV.
family
Oh, God,
and gives
I
you more
did
control
another
over how
option.
and when your devices are used. And when it's time to settle in for the night,
Chrome
our
OS
new
is like
Do Not
watching a
Disturb
child
and
take
nightlight
its
features
first.
help you tune out distractions and gently adjust the color temperature of your display to help you wind down. Now, as you'd expect from us, Pixel Slate provides really powerful, hassle-free security. Virus protection
New
is
Pixel
built
tablet
in.
is Wi-Fi only
The
or
OS
4G
updates in the
SIM?
background,
We haven't got to
so
that
you
part
always have
first.
the latest security and features without any annoying interruptions. Pixel Slate also includes a Titan security chip, so your information, device passwords, and operating system are protected on your device. And to eliminate the fuss of typing your password, Pixel Slate's power button
Do you think it
doubles
will have
as
a keyboard?
fingerprint sensor.
The keyboard
So you
case
can
was
unlock
separate.
it just
it
as
looked
quickly
like.
and securely as you do your Pixel phone. Just touch the top.
Oh, it
and
has a
you're good
fingerprint
to
scanner
go.
at the top. That was that little dip in the front
All
that I
of
was
these
like, I don't know what
amazing
that's
new experiences
for.
on Chrome OS truly make Pixel Slate a perfect device for play and work. But a true desktop experience demands a great keyboard. So we created the Pixel Slate keyboard, the
It
perfect
reminds me of
companion to
Logitech
Pixel
keyboard.
Slate. The keyboard connects to Pixel Slate in a snap. No pairing or charging needed.
Oh,
Just
snap.
connect it and start typing. I love the way the Pixel Slate keyboard feels. Last year, TechCrunch said Pixelbook has the most satisfying keyboard to type on I've ever experienced. So we took everything great about that keyboard and put it in a folio.
Pixel 2 trade-in
full-size
XL is only
backlit keyboard
$325.
is incredibly
Dang,
comfortable
it
to
was
type
$400 last year.
The rounded hush
Shipping.
keys are soft and quiet, so you won't be that person with the loud clackety keyboard. And the full-featured trackpad works just like you're used to. The folio
I like that it's backlit, of
is
course.
infinitely adjustable.
Not that many
So you can
folios
comfortably
do
use it
have
at
that
any angle
feature.
you'd like. Use it at your desk, on a plane, or at your
How
kitchen
much,
table.
everyone? Guess the price of this
And
laptop
when you're
right
done with
now.
work, it turns into
500,
a slim,
750.
protective
How
case
much is the
that
price,
you can take
including the
anywhere.
keyboard?
Whether
Everyone's
you're
just
using
waiting on
Pixel
price.
Slate with or without the keyboard, there's a universe of apps to help you do more. G Suite is amazing on Pixel Slate. Our powerful productivity tools are used by more than 1 billion people worldwide. And people spend an incredible 74% of their time in these apps working together. With docs, sheets, and slides, you can collaborate and create like never
The
before.
tech, you think it's gonna be
Pixel Slate
1,200?
also uses the full desktop
1,000,
Chrome browser,
800,
so you'll never be
700,
limited by the
500,
mobile version of the
850,
site.
999.
You can take complete advantage of the rich ecosystem of extensions.
You realize you win by
and
Price
open
is
as
Right rules
many
by
tabs
$1
as
if
you
it's
need
signed in.
to get work done.
1150
There are also millions of apps in the Google Play Store.
with keyboard.
From
12.
productivity to fitness to games and entertainment.
700,
We're continuing
850
to work closely with Adobe
is
and are pleased to
Google.
launch the
After all,
all-new
they
Adobe
made the Pixel
Acrobat
and
on
Pixel
Pixel
books.
Slate.
It-
It's a great
That's what I'm
example
afraid
of
of.
how
I'm afraid
developers
it
are
might be more.
optimizing their apps for Chrome OS. It lets you edit PDFs
The
with
price
precision,
should be, I would
quickly
say,
fill
with
out
the keyboard to
forms,
compete
and
with
sign and annotate
Samsung and
documents
Apple,
using the Pixelbook
650.
Pen.
650, I would
We also
say,
have new apps launching
would
focused
be
on
the
helping you
price of
stay
this.
healthy. One that
I'm
I'm
pretty
really
sure it's
excited
gonna be
about
more.
is Peloton, because it'll help me keep up with my workout even when I'm away from my bike. And when it's time to relax, enjoy your favorite shows on Netflix or experience millions of worlds with Roblox. So that's Pixel Slate, powered by the reimagined Chrome OS.
Price? Price?
It's designed to be as versatile as you are, with a desktop operating
Price?
system, a full keyboard and trackpad, a brilliant display, and the mobility and app support of a tablet. Pixel Slate comes in several
We don't know
configurations,
processor RAM.
starting at $599.
Starting at 600.
Pixel Slate keyboard is $199, and Pixelbook Pen, now in matching Midnight Blue, is $99.
200 for the keyboard? Are you out of your
All
effing
three will
mind?
be available later this year on the Google Store and at major retailers in the US, Canada, and the UK. Pixel Slate is truly a no-compromise way to work and play. Let's take one final look at it before I go.
$200 for a keyboard. I hate you, Google. Why would you do that? Why? Oh, God. I'm gonna check on the processor and everything like that. Yeah, whoever said 800 got it right. 900 with the pen, but we didn't know there was a pen. You shouldn't buy the pen. F that pen. Like, seriously, Google, how dare you? Like, Chrome is not Windows. $800, I could almost buy an editing, laptop. 900, I could. F you. Seriously, what the heck?
Finally, it's time to talk about phones.
That is the smallest memory, because it did say starting at 600.
Google Pixel 3 is
Finally,
designed
trying
from
to take a
the
look at the
inside
phones.
out
F
to
you.
be the
You've been hiding
smartest,
it.
most useful device in
You're
your
still
life.
showing it from the back.
It's a phone that can answer itself, a camera that won't miss a shot, and is a whole new experience when it's charging.
Pixel 3 was built with exceptionally beautiful and thoughtful design choices. It feels great to the touch and light in your hand. The matte finish on the all-glass back is the first of its kind. It carries over our iconic two-tone design while providing a beautiful, silky texture that helps avoid fingerprints. We developed a new etching process that allows for both matte and glossy textures on the same piece of curved glass with smooth lines and seamless transitions. Pixel 3 comes in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and a new color, which is not pink.
The new Pixel comes in 2 display sizes, the 5.5-inch Pixel 3 and the 6.3-inch Pixel 3 XL. Both of them share the same features, but we know users who want a bigger phone really want a bigger screen. So we've designed Pixel 3 XL's screen to extend all the way to the upper corners, giving users an edge-to-edge view.
Look at them hide that notch.
Extra
You
useful
son
space
of-
at the top. The flexible OLED is the best Pixel display ever. The new adaptive color profile provides a bright, vibrant viewing experience from any angle and in any lighting. Both phones have bigger screens than last
All right,
year's
guys, one
Pixel,
more time.
and they
Which
lower
phone
the
should I buy?
screen's body
Pixel 3,
ratio.
Pixel 3 XL? Let me
It
know
feels
now
smaller
in the
and
comment
more
section,
comfortable to
please.
use.
Let me know right now.
Our front-firing stereo speakers are 40% louder and
Alex
richer than last
Rudd,
year.
thank you for the
Perfect
super
for a
chat.
video call
Donate, guys, if
or
you can. I
playing music by the
appreciate
pool.
it. It's not
The
pink,
custom
which
sound
is there was a
profile
rumored one that was
developed for
pink.
Pixel 3 by a Grammy-winning music producer for stunning volume and clarity.
For
To get the most out
$800,
of
you
this
can get a
incredible
gaming
audio
computer
experience,
with the
Pixel 3
RX
is
50
the
graphics
first
card
phone that
and
ships with the new
8th gen
YouTube music streaming
i5 processor. There
We're
you go.
giving it to Pixel owners on us for 6 months. Between the design, the display, and the powerful
Dang,
speakers,
YouTube Music,
you'll
you can't
love
even
how
give
Pixel
YouTube
3
Premium?
looks and sounds.
Everyone raves about the Pixel camera. And today, the smartest camera gets even better
Pixel
with
3,
the
Pixel 3, Pixel 3,
It's
Pixel
so
3,
good,
Pixel
even
3.
professional photographers are shooting with it. We're excited to announce a new partnership with one of the most celebrated photographers of our time, Annie Leibovitz. For her latest project, she's using Pixel 3 to take photos as she travels around the country, capturing portraits of inspiring people and places.
I have
It's
to
the
buy the
first time
Pixel
that
3
Annie has
because
officially
I'm a
partnered with
YouTuber,
any
so
camera.
there is no
We
not
can't
buy
wait
the
for
Pixel.
the
I've
series.
seen a couple of you guys say, don't buy the
And Annie is not
Pixel.
the only
I'm buying the
professional
Pixel
choosing our
regardless. I'm a YouTuber, I need to.
A few weeks ago,
But
we gave our camera
Pixel 3 or
gave
Pixel 3
Pixel 3
XL
to
is
Condé
the
Nast,
main thing.
some of the world's
Which
top
right now the Pixel 3 is winning.
7
Only
magazine
3 people have said the
Take a
XL.
look
Everyone else has
behind
said
the
the
scenes.
3.
Some of the world's
Which
top
right now the Pixel 3 is winning.
7
Only
magazine
3 people have said the
Take a
XL.
look
Everyone else has
behind
said
the
the
scenes.
3.
This is the first time that Condé Nast has used a smartphone to shoot A-list talent for magazine covers like Glamour, W, and GQ. These photos are amazing. They belong on magazine covers and arrive on newsstands starting this week.
Now, it's no
To
accident
be
that Pixel's camera
fair,
is a curve. It's
with
a
that
true
kind of studio
end-to-end
lighting,
combination of our AI,
any
software,
phone
and
could have
hardware.
done a really good job.
We're building on Google's deep expertise in computational photography. Perhaps the most obvious way it comes to life is with HDR+. When we introduced zero shutter lag HDR+ on the first Pixel, it blew away traditional HDR methods, and we're still the only ones to use this method. When you press the shutter,
Which right now the Pixel 3 is winning. Only 3 people have said the XL. Everyone else has said the 3.
This is the first time that Condé Nast has used a smartphone to shoot A-list talent for magazine covers like Glamour, W, and GQ. These photos are amazing. They belong on magazine covers and arrive on newsstands starting this week.
now it's no
To
accident
be
that Pixel's camera is
fair,
a curve. It's
with
a
that
true
kind of studio
end-to-end
lighting,
combination of our AI,
any
software,
phone
and
could have
hardware.
done a really good
We're
job.
building on Google's deep expertise in computational photography. Perhaps the most obvious way it comes to life is with HDR+. When we introduced zero shutter lag HDR+ on the first Pixel, it blew away traditional HDR methods, and we're still the only ones to use this method. When you press the shutter, Pixel captures a burst of several short exposures. We combine the images algorithmically to create an image that is brighter, more detailed, and more colorful. This technology is generations ahead of other smartphones. And all of this is happening on device. Pixel Visual Core is our custom-designed imaging chip that takes complex imaging and data crunching power out of our data.
Learning is trained by analyzing millions of images.
Oh, that notch.
So knows you want to see smiles instead of sneezes, photos where
Don't look
everyone
directly
visibly
at
has
it.
their eyes open, and the perfect moment of shock at a surprise party. Top Shot automatically
Top notch
captures alternate
is live
shots
photo,
in HDR+.
like live photo,
If your
motion
timing
photo,
wasn't
whatever you want to
perfect,
call it.
it'll suggest
It's
a
been
better
out.
one. You can also scroll through the alternates.
It's just
Save
suggesting
one of
them
those
now.
instead.
And then there's Super Res Zoom. Anyone who's tried to take a photo at a concert knows that phone cameras have terrible zoom.
Oh my god.
Instead of shooting a
notch.
grainy photo, Pixel 3 shoots a burst of photos, each a bit different, taking advantage of the natural tiny movements of your hand. And you can guess what happens next. We run the variations through a merging algorithm to create a beautiful, zoomed-in shot, so you can get closer to the details and frame your shot the way you want. This technique of merging slightly different photos for higher resolution has been used in advanced astronomy research to surface the image of Mars, surface of Mars. Pixel 3 puts this technology into a device you can hold in your hand.
Another feature that we're really excited about is night sight. Life's best moments aren't always perfectly lit. A party, a campfire with your friends, one last shot before the bar closes. The typical solution for low light settings is the flash, which makes a big scene, blinds your friends, and leaves you with an unnatural looking photo with uneven exposures and shadows. Night sight works so well, you'll never use your flash again. Let's take a look.
Ooh, coming for the iPhone XS like that? That's funny. That is funny.
In extreme low light, returns machine learning
Be
to
like,
choose
what
the colors
HDR,
based on the
Apple?
content of the
What
image. These
HDR?
shots are completely untouched. Night sight makes Pixel the best low-light smartphone camera. It's coming next month to Pixel 3 and our other Pixels as well.
You might have noticed the second camera on the front of the phone. Let's see what it does.
Are you guys ready? Let's take a selfie. Here we go. Wait.
Move your head towards mine.
Scoot over. My arms are not long enough, you guys.
Get in.
Boys, we gotta back up just a little bit. Back up. Back up. Back up. Stay in the frame. Stay in the frame. Willow, just stay in the frame.
Guess where I am.
I can't see it. It's because a lot of people that shoot with an iPhone, your lens is like the narrowest of everyone's.
Hey, Mitch, could you scooch in? I'm trying to take a selfie.
Oh, wait, one sec. Alright, 3, 2, 1, smile!
Pixel users tend to get
Why no
tricked
Note
by
9? That is true because the Note 9
including
would
for group
destroy the
selfies.
pixel in that
We wanna help
photo.
them be
Just
great
saying.
at their job.
Just saying.
So we added
In
a
the
second
in the
camera
low
on the
light
front
photo.
that
I'm
captures
talking about
184%
because they have better
more
aperture.
of the scene than iPhone XS. Now you can
Oh,
fit everyone
they
in the
coming
shot
for that
without a
iPhone.
selfie stick or unusually long arms like mine. Just zoom out. The difference is striking. You aren't just
What
getting
is
more
it
people in
doing,
the frame.
though?
You're getting more details, more scenery, more of a story.
For photos and selfies with even more story, we've got you
They're
covered.
just switching to a second camera
We've
that's
evolved
wider.
AR stickers to what we now call Playground and built it into both the front and rear cameras. We've got lots of new content and characters.
Playground instead of calling it
including new
AR stickers is
adventures
pretty good, I
in
would say.
celebration of
Better
Marvel
marketing.
Studios' 10-year anniversary.
Ooh, they got Marvel.
These characters are rendered to feel lifelike in the scene, and they even interact with each other. Characters can now also respond to your actions and facial expressions. They look like they're really in the scene with you. For even more playful photos and
That
videos.
is really cool. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna
And
take a
here's
bunch of those kind of
sneak
selfies.
peek at the childish Gambino character we're working on with Donald Glover.
Really?
Coming soon
Really,
to
Donald?
Playground and exclusively
Really?
to Pixel.
I mean, make that money, but really.
Sorry, got a little excited there.
Make that money, man. Make
Playground
that
is
money.
launching on Pixel 3 and will be rolled out to Pixel 1 and 2 soon, with more content on the way.
And of course, Pixel 3's camera is for so much more than taking pictures. Last year, we introduced Google Lens, which helps you do more with your camera with what you see. This year, we integrated Google Lens directly into the Pixel 3 camera. Point it at a takeout menu, and Lens will pull out the phone number to call. Point at a movie poster to click through to the URL. Lens is now able to work instantly in the camera and on device for some of the most common actions, even without a data connection. This is only possible
That's
by
cool without a
combining
data
Pixel
connection.
Visual Core with our years of work in search and computer vision. Being able to search the world around you is the next logical
Well,
step
after
in
seeing the
organizing
notch, I
world
came here.
information and making
I
it
feel
easier
like
for people.
this is the bar,
We've
and
been
I
doing that in
need
some fun new
to
ways,
drown my
like with
sorrows.
style search in Lens.
Drink up,
Now
guys.
your friend's wearing a
Drink.
new pair of sunglasses.
That should be a game we're playing from now on. Drink every time you see the notch.
Find them online and browse
Responsibly.
similar styles. It's one more way we're integrating our AI, software, and hardware to create the best end-to-end camera experience.
There are a lot of brilliant new superpowers coming in Pixel 3's camera, but we didn't have time to get through them all. I'm sure you don't want to sit through a 2-hour keynote. So here's a quick list of some of the other features you'll see in our demo area later.
Photo booth mode automatically snaps photos with a smile or when you make a funny face. No shutter button needed.
With motion autofocus, just tap on people, puppies, or anything else that won't hold still, and they'll stay in focus as they move around the frame.
These
We
are
made a few
features that have been in
enhancements to
other
portrait
cameras
mode.
for a long time now.
You can edit
Namely,
the depth of field
Note.
in a portrait. You can also change the focal subject of the photo or make the color pop.
And one of the best aspects
Ooh, I like
of
color
Pixel
pop.
3
Always
is
loved color
free
pop.
unlimited storage at original quality. You'll never have to worry about storing, syncing, or finding your photos. Pixel 3's camera is the best end-to-end photography experience ever.
Pixel
on
3
a
has wireless
smartphone.
charging,
Can't wait
but
for you
it's
to
only
try
4
it.
gigs of RAM. Why? Why would you do that?
So what about when you're not taking photos? We designed Pixel 3 to take things off your plate, so you can spend more time enjoying the moment and looking at the world.
Still waiting for the website to refresh.
As Rick mentioned earlier, our new Google Assistant feature, powered by duplex technology, is able to help users with real-world tasks over the phone, like calling a restaurant to book a table. Pixel phones will be the first to get this Google Assistant feature when it rolls out city by city this month. Next month. One of these months. Next month. So stay tuned for details.
This month.
And
Next
we're
month.
going even
I don't know.
further to help you with phone calls with
The
our
notch
new
is
call
blinding
screen
me.
feature. Let's say you're at dinner with friends or in a meeting at work, and a call comes in. It could be something important, or it could be an offer for a free cruise. When you get that call and you can't or
Oh,
don't
by the
want to
way,
pick up,
someone
just
send
tap
that
the screen
iPhone
call
versus
button,
Google Pixel
and your
3
phone will
photo
answer
to
for you and
TDL,
ask
just
who's
so you know,
calling
you could
and
show them.
why.
This is what it really
As
looks
you
like.
can see here, the conversation
sorry,
is
TLD, I
transcribed
forgot
in
what his
real
name.
time on your screen. You can decide whether to pick up, send a quick reply, or mark the call spam. You'll never have to talk to another telemarketer.
That's ideal. We need to get rid of these damn telemarketers. They call on phones too much.
This all happens on device, powered by Google's AI. Call screen launches today with Pixel 3 in the US and comes to the entire Pixel family next month.
And we all know what it's like to be overwhelmed by notifications. Sometimes you just want to disconnect entirely. So we've developed a feature we call Flip to Shush, an easy gesture to minimize distractions. Just turn your phone upside down on the table.
This
Pixel will take the
feature
hint
has
and
literally
mute
been
sounds
on
and
Samsung
notifications.
smartphones since the
You can have a quiet
S3.
dinner with friends or spend some time with your family. And finally, Pixel 3 includes our new Titan security chip. As Rick said earlier, Titan is a big step forward in how we safeguard our users' data with on-device protection for login credentials, disk encryption, app data, and the integrity of the operating system.
We have one last thing to show you. What if your phone could provide a totally different experience when it's charging? We're excited to introduce the smartest wireless charger ever, the new Pixel Stand. As a wireless charger
that changes how the
Pixel
phone
Stand is
looks.
best in class. It charges your Pixel 3 super fast, even through cases. The Pixel Stand isn't just a charger. It changes the way you interact with your phone, thanks to
Does
the
it have
Google
a
Assistant.
front?
When you dock your phone, the UI adjusts to be easily glanceable from across the room. You can control it with your voice or the one-touch suggestions on the display. In the morning, your Pixel 3 is a more thoughtful alarm clock. The screen will slowly
the
brighten
notch.
before your alarm goes off, so you can wake up more gently. And with help from the assistant, it knows your morning routine, the weather, and can easily answer your questions, similar to Google
Is this
Home.
event a joke?
Play your
Flip to
music on
shush.
Pixel's
Seriously? I've had that on
incredible
Samsung device for a long
front-firing stereo
time.
speakers, and the cover art is displayed on the screen. Pixel Stand also turns your Pixel 3 into a helpful component of your thoughtful home. You can easily control your connected devices around the house, and with Nest to Low, you can see who's at the door on your Pixel 3 screen. When it's not busy with other tasks, your Pixel 3 becomes a photo frame that delights you with automatically curated memories from your Google Photos
So it
library.
makes it into a
Again,
screensaver
similar to
photo
the
frame,
Google
which
Home
we
Hub
have now on
experience
a
you
lot of
saw earlier.
smartphones.
Pixel Stand transforms your Pixel 3, so you can get a more visual, helpful experience from your phone. It's the best way to wirelessly
Stand is going to be
charge
like
your Pixel
$200
for
given
any
the keyboard price.
cheap-compatible device. Pixel 3 is available for pre-order now, starting at $7.99. And Pixel
Stand, 79 bucks. 80 bucks for that stand?
Pixel 3 will arrive on October 18th in the US through Verizon and unlocked on the Google Store and Project Fi. On November 1st, it will be available in 12 more markets, including 4 new ones this year: France, Ireland, Japan, and Taiwan.
And we also have a large selection of cases and accessories available from both Google and our partners. Check them out on the Google Store today. So that's the new Pixel 3.
I'm
It's
waiting
designed
for
from
you
the
to end your
inside out to
thing
be
so I
the
can buy
smartest,
these.
most helpful device in your life. It's a phone that can answer itself, a camera that won't miss a shot, and a helpful
There, it
assistant
switched.
even when it's charging.
Before Rick comes back up, enjoy this short film shot entirely on Pixel 3 by the amazing Terrence Malick.
I heard about this frog. It's very tiny, but it's also very
One last time, guys. Last time the Pixel 3 won. Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL. Let me know in the comment section right now which one I should buy. Oh, they do have a charcoal.
So there they are, the newest members of this year's Made by Google family.
No, I'm not going to get the
We're taking an end-to-end approach to consumer
one,
technology that merges our most innovative AI with intuitive software, powerful hardware. Made by Google devices empower people to do more with their day so they have to do less with their tech, and they can focus on what matters most. We've designed them from the inside out to give you your own personal Google.
Let's see how this Slate really is.
Taking things off your plate.
Oh, for the Slate you can only join the wait list.
Titan security and how it's integrated into our mobile hardware for powerful protection in a simplified experience. And you've also seen how our approach to digital
12.3-inch
well-being
display.
is woven throughout the whole portfolio, from call screen.
Oh my God, that entry level is a Celeron processor.
Family Link. We're taking our users' well-being very
$799 for an M3 processor.
With Pixel Slate, we've built a Chrome OS
$1,000 for an
device
i5
the way you work
processor.
and play today.
And
It's a powerful workstation in the
1,600
office, and it's a
for
home theater you
Google.
can
You're
hold in
freaking
your hands.
crazy.
With Pixel 3,
If I'm buying this
we've
Slate,
built
I'm
the
returning
first
it.
phone that
If
can
I'm buying
answer the
this Slate,
phone.
I'm going to return it.
And we've also taken the world's best smartphone camera and made it even better. With Google Home Hub, we've built a radically helpful smart display which lays the foundation for a truly thoughtful home. There's a whole lot more to these devices, and we're really excited for you to see that for yourselves in our demo area downstairs. For those of you on the live stream, please stick around to see our products and more in-depth demos online. And also, head over to our fresh new online store at this address behind me for full details, pricing, and
Most of you guys actually changed to the
XL.
XL.
Being here with us today.
So
Thank you very
let's go
much.
XL.
Have a great day.
Here are some recipes.
Load one arm up and bring it down, and we're gonna switch, okay?
I'm telling you right now, I'm probably going to return the XL and get the 3. But I'm going to review the XL because you guys wanted it. Alright, stream is over, guys. So, yep, let me finish up buying this and then I got to get out of here. Alright guys, it's having a lot of issues.
And I'm Jason.
Alright guys,
I'm here
I will
also.
see you later.
So
Thank you as always for
is the new
watching. This
Pixel
has
3
been
and
RSCKY,
Pixel 3
the
XL. We can't wait to
YouTube
show
Tech
them
Guy.
off to you. When you
Thank
look
you
at
for
the
watching
Pixel
our
3, it's got a
video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect
When you look at the back
video.
of the device, we've designed a
Or at least
brand
that's
new
what YouTube
etching
tells me.
process for a soft touch glass
again.
back.